Finding piece of cake, moving in storage was probably the best thing that I could have did during this whole move. Just for a city-to-city move, I'm used to a whole day, maybe two, just to load a truck and unload a truck. So the fact that that all happened in a combined 5 hours for a state move, multiple state move, excuse me, that's impressive. I'll recommend piece of cake to anyone. It's truly a piece of cake. Now, we unpack. Is there any movers for that? Never am I moving during the holidays again. If it wasn't for piece of cake, I'd probably be still moving now. Is this something that everybody does? And then I'm just realizing that it's amazing?